Hello mga kasambalay nyo, andito tayo ngayon sa unang labas natin. Dito ako sa Quezon City, Opus Mall daw, Quezon City. Makikita nyo, bago lang daw ito, halos ilang buwan lang na nabubuksan. Laki ng Christmas tree nila, oh. Ito naman, oh. Paskong Pasko na sa Pilipinas, mga kasampalin nyo. Sayang nga lang at hindi tayo aabot ng Pasko. So maganda itong mall ito. Mag-iikot pa tayo mamaya para makita natin kung gaano kaganda itong may Toys R Us pa dito. Although sa UK ito nagsasara na. Ganda. So mag-ikot-ikot muna tayo mga kasambalin nyo para makita natin kung gaano kaganda itong mall nila. Okay, Pilipino dito, pasyalan, open space siya, pero makikita mo maganda naman talaga. Ayan. This is one of the new shopping mall here in Philippines. So we just came from the check-up of my dad, and then we came here to go for lunch. I just want to show you this big and new shopping mall. They call it Opus Mall. As you can see, it's very nice. So, and then we'll go inside. Oh, look at that dog. See, people are allowed to bring their dogs here. So, and they will enjoy it too. This is the name of the shopping mall, Opus. So we're going in. It's nice. It's very cold here, so it's a good place, guys. As you can see, you can already feel the Christmas here in the Philippines, guys. And the good thing here, you can bring your dog. So it's really a big space. Sinihan pala yung sa taas. So malaki talaga ito. It's a very big mall, guys. The top of Christmas tree. Ganda. Kulay ginto pa yung elevator. So, lakad-lakad lang tayo. So, dito pala yung kainan. Laking space nito. Dito sila. Ang hirap maghanap pag malaki yung lugar. Nasaan sila?